na nila ngayon for their water taxis. Narito na tayo sa bahagi ng tinatawag nilang Old Dubai. Narito yung mga souk. So, makikita yung mga bilihan ng textile, spices, syempre, yung gustong-gustong iuwi ng mga Pilipino mula rito sa Dubai. Gold. Yung mga Arabo kasi, mula pa nung unang panahon, kilala sila bilang traders. Narito tayo ngayon sa Old Baladia Street. Dito, masarap makipagtawaran. Bundok-bundok at tumpok-tumpok na mga pampalasa ang makikita rito sa spice soup. Kabilang ang pinakamahal na spice sa buong mundo, saffron. Dun sa mga mahilig po sa paella o paella, ito po yung nagbibigay ng kulay. Mahal ito kasi nga, kukonti ang maaani nila for every hectare. Oh, that's the flour. How many flowers is that?
More than 1,000 flower.
Kaya siya mahal kasi isang hibla kada bulaklak. Ito equivalent to 1,000 flowers and 1 hectare of their plantation for saffron. So,
You can drink this very expensive water.
oh my
Don't
God.
worry.
Oh, really?
Yes. If you drink that, you'll never know forget me and my shop because we have nice memory with my son.
Okay, pinubola niya ako. Pero okay nga. Very mild.
And I give you a small present in the morning. Chocolate dates and
Okay.
banana.
Oh my God.
Please,
Oh.
you can try this.
You are such a bad person. You're offering me calories very early in the morning. Magkano naman kaya?
About $7 per gram.
$7. Okay, can I just buy a little?
5 gram.
How much? How much?
35 your money.
35 in US dollars? Okay.
I'm making for you $30 because you are first in the morning.
Oh, buena mano.
Buena man.
Buena mano. Shukran. Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang ating Dubai adventure kung hindi tayo makakapasyal sa disyerto at makasama ang mga camel. Nasa countryside tayo ng Dubai at narito tayo sa isa sa kanilang camel farms. Wow, you have a nice place. This is really wonderful. You have 18 camels.
Yeah. It's not for racing, it's not for eating,
Oh.
it's just for pasture. All our camels are very calm, they like people.
Taong 2016, itinayo ang farm na ito para magsilbing tahanan ng mga camel. 2 taon mula nung ito'y itinatag, binuksan ito sa publiko. Ang namamahala ang Italianong si Luca. What is an Italian doing in Dubai raising camels?
I moved here 10 years ago as a photographer, but with my girlfriend 2 years ago, we took this place. It was a farm that was already existing before. We decided to make it more beautiful and to create a real Emirati and Bedouin experience for tourists.
Aba, nabigyan pa ako ng pagkakataon na pangalanan ng isa sa mga camel dito. What is his name? You don't know?
If he doesn't have a name, you can give it a name.
Okay, now you are now Jessie, okay? Kasi wala ka pa raw pangalan, so ako na magpapangalan sa'yo, Jessie. You are Jessie from here on, okay? Oo, meron na akong camel dito. Hello, kinakain niya yung blouse ko. Okay, hi, sorry, wala akong dalang pagkain. Pwede mo raw silang ikis. Ang bait naman. Wow.
On the nose also.
On the nose. Also, the kiss is on the nose? Of course. Come on, kiss you daw. Bisi na mabako.
She wants more.
Oh, you want more? Oh, ang sweet mo naman. Ang mga camel, itinuturing na cultural heritage ng UAE. Status symbol din ang mga ito. Kung mas maraming camel na pagmamayari ang isang pamilya, ibig sabihin, mas mayaman sila. Pero alam niyo ba kung ano ang laman ng mga umbo sa hump ng camel? Hindi pala nila ito imbakan ng tubig, kundi ng fat o taba. Kaya kahit mahabang paglalakbay sa disyerto, kaya nila.
They go in the desert for 2-3 weeks without food or water. They can still take the nutrition from the hump. Here they don't have big humps because we feed them every day, so they don't really need to accumulate fat.
Oh, so that's how it goes. If you feed them enough, they will not grow their hump so big?
Yes, because for them it's an excessive weight. It's like a ram. It doesn't have many muscles because it needs to be light.
You practice yan? Dito sa farm, pwede mong maranasang magpakain ng camel. More and more and more. Malakas sila. Matakaw yung maliit. Is this edible for humans too or just for animals? It's not poisonous, yeah?
No.
Let me taste one leaf. Tikman natin. Very mild tasting. Kala ko mga lasang malunggay natin, hindi pala. Sorry, I tasted your food, okay? It's edible for humans, ha?
Yeah, sure. For sure. If it is something dangerous, we cannot give it to the animals.
Buhay pa naman ako. Na-curious lang ako kaya tinikman ko. Here you go. And look, he's still hungry, ah. Oh, yeah. Ang technique daw sa pagpapakain sa mga camel, dapat hinahawakan ng mahigpit ang damo sa bandang dulo. Kaso, huli na nung nalaman ko. Aray ko! Diyos ko, kinagat ako.
They're trying to grab the food, you know.
Yeah. Their teeth are not sharp.
No, camels, they don't easily harmful with their teeth because they don't have complete teeth.
Hey, you Jafar, ha? Akala ko magkaibigan tayo. Muntik mong baliin yung daliri ko, ha? Masakit yung kinagat mo sa akin, ha?
I think they're having a nice time with you, you know.
Aray ko! Diyos ko, kinagat ako. How do you ride camel? What's his name? Hua. Hua. Hello, Hua. Hua, bati tayo, ha? Be good, Hua. Be nice.
Always lean back now because maybe they can go down once more.
Diyos ko, nakaka-nervous, ha? Lean back lang daw kasi baka lumuhod bigla. Medyo wild yata itong sa akin. You're a nice camel, Hua. Ngayon ko lang masusubukan kung paano maglakbay sa disyerto sa kanilang likuran. Aba, ang aming guide na si Omar, tila nag-e-exhibition pa.
Ay, may nag-agma na lang day. Hindi binapit.
Dali tulog kay Molis ti pay.
Ang tawag ko sa mga camel
Huwag lang.
ay bangko ng disyerto. They can travel long distances. Kaya nila malayo ang mga paglalakbay. At kahit walang tubig, walang pagkain, mabubuhay sila. At napakahalaga ng mga camel dito sa disyerto na bubuhay at naghahanap buhay. Siguro yung human civilization as we know it,
Dagang views.
hindi tayo nakarating dito kung hindi dahil sa mga hayop na ito. Masakit sa puwet, sa lower back. Para sa first timer, hindi madaling sumakay. Ibang klase rin pala ang pagbaba. Iris niya. Muntik na akong mahulog. Mabuti na lang. Nasalo ako. Isang song.
Ano gagamitin?
Thank you, Samson. You're my angel.
Ako. Ano naman?
Pag hindi kakaon.
Thank you. You're really my angel.
Ay, ano na to?
Today you're my crown and my
Ikaw
angel,
ko.
Samson. Thank you.
Balik mo sa
Kota na ba kayo? Papunta pa lang tayo sa
Dami yan,
exciting
testing
part
ba?
sa Dubai kasi.
Skydiving.
Pwede pa. Lumipad! Skydiving! We are in Skydiving Dubai. At ang pumasa sa hamon, walang iba kundi si Miss Universe 2050, Pia Westa. And how are you feeling right now? Umapit yung si Kalboa na muna kami. And smile all the way. Na not once, kundi twice niya nang ginawa ito. shy, but with family here, you can conquer your fear. I'm really happy to be doing this with them. What an experience. Sa mga naghahanap pa rin ng sakit ng katawan, ito pa ang para sa inyo.